Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please run and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people. This one where we made day now, it don't pass Jerome. Because the way the country they behave now, if they are made cheat, part two not they will be like saying our revenge the day now. Because what we can't they see now for social media now. My WhatsApp doff way, some of my fans they send me video. God. Our women, wanna take a miss you, I beg. Marriage not be do or die something. If you dey marriage, you know work at. Say the man the cheat on you. Instead when you call your door and treat them bad like that, it's better you leave them. It's better you just leave them, I beg. Eh? The one now there now don't pass Jerome, eh? If they go samba, when something pass Jerome, go samba. My people, I beg. Wanna take am easy. This video when I just see the thing it just chocotalized me. That video, it used to know the alert that I can now fast I take delete am. When I see the video, God. This one where our women dey now, part two not dey. This woman because the husband your cheat. This woman your cut the husband John Thomas. He just cut a cassava. In the sleep before you do that kind of thing, this woman. This one would then another pass Jerome. Women, wanna take am easy. The other one, now three men you. The other one are Oyibo. That one because your husband cheat, see make it just lie down, make it flog him 25 stroke of cane. See make it just lie down, make it. If you see the big stick when they carry they slap this man for a bomb boy, it's entire meal. Is if you see the stick when they say beat him. He pull the trouser go down. He can't beat him like a momo. He said that he let that man beat him, or he go leave him. Which one he go choose? And the man say he go let that man beat him. If you see beating, my people, you go chocotalize. This one how Igbo. This one we made it now. Part two not there. The other one. That one just carry better or total. Is your point for the man body because the man cheat on her. My people, I want to ask one question. If your husband they cheat on you, it's better you leave him. Not very too option. It's better you leave him or you did the bear my dear. Because if you not feel bear the cheating. It's better you just leave the man than you can't just do him bad like that. Just pour water for your body or cut it John Thomas or come flog and be like come on more because me not understand. I not say cheating good though. Wanna not get me wrong, my people. Cheating no good. Men, wanna not cheat on my wife. Your wife only pot. It don't dey okay for you. Una will be men safe. Or now see the una body no be small. Your wife on the pot, it not dey okay for you. Where be say you want still go the look outside. Mama say they take am easy. Really? Mama they take am easy. Now they cause all those things where those women they do all those kind of things to her. The other woman, that one you carry better. It's just of you just make sure see that grandmother oil don't hot where they fry something. You just pour for the man, John Thomas. So that may not work again. When I fail disfigure them for now, I can't leave them. You know good. It's better you not just go there than say you just can't treat the man like that. When I see they take them easy, you know good. All those women. What one they do to our men? I not say they are their body. I not say shit to say I decide that more good or not good. But this time when you call your treat and that kind of thing, it's better you just leave the man. Make you just go in your own same money, you go on our own separate ways. Then you can all treat her like that. You know good. Eh? I just see this one. I don't feel even wash up. I say you quickly delete am. I don't feel wash am because the thing dey oral. Eh? If man walk his stick, you just cut am like that. God forbid bad thing. Eh? When I just see and the thing just chocotalize me, I say no. Man shook my mouth, put man say tell her best our women. Don't be the way body take scratch person. Person dey scratch am. Because if you scratch am like that, your body go peel. It go peel if you scratch am like that. You don't know. You way they wash me so. You this woman. You don't know. So take am easy. When they just let that body scratch you like that. If you scratch you like that, your body it go peel. Yeah. When they take am easy, I beg. How can a woman go just pour out water? You go pour for the man body just because of I don't want to do again. Now by force. Now by force. Me no understand. What our women come they do these days? The thing they chocotalize me. Oh. The thing they surprise me. Oh. Eh? And when they take am easy. Hey, I beg. This video I don't want to make it too long because when I just see the thing today, the thing just like marriage don't be do or die something. You understand? Don't be do or die something. If you know say the thing no they work out for you the way you need them, just walk away down. You can't just carry you can't get one kind of evil thought say make I do this my bad thing, make I do something before I go leave them. You know good. Even God not go say forgive you for what you see do too. You understand? So instead, when you go just treat a human being like that, my dear, it's better you just leave them. Una go on our own separate ways. Then you can't just treat her like that. I beg. When I see the fear God now, when I see they get that fear of God for inside now. Our men, when I say our women don't revenge for now. So more stop to the cheat on our wife, More stop to the cheat. No good. Stop to the cheat on your wife. Let your wife only pot make it do okay for you. And now those kind of men go they throw waste for outside like another thing. They go want to drink medicine. They satisfy their side chick. But their wife for us, no. You go say that you go throw waste two times now. You go say in the day okay. But outside you go want to do one with power with your side chick for outside. Eh? I beg, ladies. I beg, more now they treat all those men like that again. No. Eh? Can a woman go you carry man like that? You they use the cane they beat him like Momo. Just they beat him. Now that 25 it really complete. I can't handle. It really complete. Eh? Just carry kid to the flog. I beg. So we may now just don't about it really. The other one just cut the cassava. The other one also ta. I'm gonna take a easy. Now revenge be this one. I'll be waiting now. I beg, you don't do. I'm gonna take a easy. I beg all those women. You don't do. I'm gonna take a easy. I beg. Eh? For someone will scratch on the way I brought the scratchers, I will say we'll finish them now. I'm gonna take a easy. I beg. I see the fee for them now. I know saying what they do not good though, but at least we will take them easy because if somebody don't our picking, we not go like them too now. You understand? So my people, this video I say just reached today. So thank you everybody. Take care. Anything you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section down below. So we'll go from there. So thank you everybody. Take care. If you like this video, just give this video a thumbs up. So bye. Choose. Share this video. Please, please, please. Bye.